Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on KEC International. Our analyst maintains buy on KEC International, building in strong execution backed by a robust order book of Rs 35,000 crore and margin expansion, normalization of its working capital cycle and reduction in its leverage position driven by completion of legacy order in Brazil by first half of FY24 to drive the profitability. The company has so far achieved 30% of order inflow guidance of Rs 25,000 crore for FY24. KEC trades at 17 times FY25 estimated EPS. We expect revenue CAGR of 15% and PAT CAGR of 139% over FY23 to FY25 earnings, which would be driven by significant margin expansion and stabilization of interest cost at all legacy orders are executed by first half of FY24 end. Next on radar is Bajaj Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Finance with a price target of Rs 8,800. Bajaj Finance is considering equity capital raise despite healthy Tier 1 capital at 21% and lower leverage, which is a key surprise. We believe this incremental capital is being raised for strong visibility of retail loan growth over the next 2 years, led by robust customer acquisition and increasing cross-sell franchisee through leveraging data analytics and distribution network through omni-channel strategy, launching new product segment ahead of the targeted timelines, and looking for any inorganic opportunity. We believe the company may raise 10 to 15% of the current net worth, which should translate into 8,000 to 10,000 crore, resulting in an increase in 10 to 13 book value per share, despite equity dilution based on FY24 estimate. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 7.2 times its FY24 earnings and 5.6 times its FY24 estimated adjusted book value. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.